Hey Archer and Olive fam, this is Icy again with another blog post, and today we will be doing fall doodles. So you will need something to draw on, which could either be your journal or a piece of paper, and of course, some pens. I will be using my A5 Moonflowers notebook. And I will be using acrylograph pens that remind me of fall. The first fall doodle that we'll be doing is a scarf. As you can see, I drew my scarf out in pencil first, and once I'm happy with how the scarf looks, I color it in with my orange and yellow acrylographs. Who doesn't love a warm drink during cold season? Which is why we'll be doing a warm drink for one of our fall doodles. Up next, we've got a hat. So feel free to personalize your hat into whatever you want your fall hat to look like. And then we've got thick socks. And of course, the ultimate symbol of fall, falling leaves. So one of my favorite things about cool weather is wearing warm sweaters. And again, feel free to add whatever design or anything that can personalize your sweater doodles. And also feel free to use other colors as well. And next we've got quilted blankets. There are so many different types of blankets out there. So there's fleece, there's quilted, there are dunas, there are electric blankets, and feel free to customize your blanket doodle into whatever you want it to be, since these fall doodles are your doodles, and feel free to be as creative as you can. And up next, we've got apples. Then we've got these pair of boots to keep our feet nice and warm. And last but not least, the ultimate symbol of fall, which are pumpkins. So here are our 10 fall doodles. Got scarves, warm drinks, hats, thick socks, leaves, sweaters, quilted blankets, apples, boots, and pumpkins. Don't forget to tag us so we can see what you create. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next blog post.